Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to pay with RedotPay physical or virtual card. So first of all, what you need to do is you need to simply just sign up or sign in into your RedotPay account. Now, if you don't have an account on RedotPay yet, you can just simply use the link that is given in the description in order to sign up, and you are going to get $5 welcome bonus absolutely for free. Now over here, when you apply for the card, you are going to see the cards section where you will see your Red.Pay Visa card details. So simply tap on the option of view in order to view the details of your cards. Once you have the details of your cards available, you just have to simply launch that particular site where you want to make the payment with the help of your Red.Pay physical or virtual card. Most probably you would be wanted to use it on purchasing the funded accounts. So as you can see, I'm currently on the website of Funded Trader Markets. So over here, you just have to scroll down a bit and select the plan that you are interested in purchasing. After selecting the plan, you just have to simply tap on the option of get started. Now over here, you just have to scroll down a bit and then tap on the option of proceed to checkout. Now when you do this, it is going to show you all of the payment methods that are available. So among these, you are going to see the option of pay tico, which is the credit and the debit card option. So when you fill out all of your personal details here on the top, this payment method is going to be activated. So you need to simply select the credit and the debit card option. Then you need to enter your physical or virtual card details, which you can get from the Red.Pay app. If you have a physical card, it will be available on top of that. Then you just have to do nothing but to just make the payments like we normally do with the help of the credit or the debit card, and this way you are going to purchase your funded accounts, or you will be able to pay with the help of the Red.Pay physical or virtual card online. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.